Isolation got my skin looking horrific. I don't know why. All I'm doing is being inside and cooking delicious food. So I don't know why my skin looks horrendous. I just don't look alive. I don't think I'm getting enough vitamin D. I need to sit here with my blinds open. Can you get vitamin D through the window? I don't know. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leah and I just wanted to show you a little bit of what I've been up to during isolation. I've grown an ulcer, if anyone would like to see that. Oh, I actually can't, it actually hurts to open the lip. It's just there. I look at it every day. I've also been gargling pure alcohol in the form of raki from my dad, raki, from Greece. I don't even know if it's helping, to be honest. I think it's making it worse. Other than that, I have cleaned and tidied so much. I've been through makeup drawers, wardrobes, kitchen, everything. So it's been quite a productive week, to be honest. I just thought I'd share with you what I've been up to. And I must apologise in advance. I have been filming a lot on my iPhone. You'll be able to tell the difference. Right now, I am filming this on my Canon G7X, my vlogging camera. But a lot of this time-lapse business I've been doing of me going through stuff and it's all sped up. I just filmed it on my iPhone camera because it doesn't cut out. It like keeps rolling, even if you're filming for like an hour, it just keeps going. Whereas this one that I'm holding now, it does cut out after like 20 minutes. Still looking for a little fix for that. It's not so great. So apologies about the footage quality. Other than that, everything is good. I hope you guys are well and staying safe. Speak to you soon. About to begin.
It's going to be an emotional roller coaster. We're about to completely clear out all of our clothes. We are moving very soon into a new place. This is our chance to downsize. We haven't really got much of a choice because the new place hasn't got a lot of storage. So it's going to be an emotional roller coaster. Like I said, I think
let's just crack on.
Let's just do this.
Are you excited for the feeling of not having much?
I'm buzzing.
Yeah, let's do this. Okay guys, this is what we're dealing with now. That's Atch's mess there at the bottom. That's my gym stuff, all of our coats, his ties, and then if I just slide this, he's cut down his workwear to just that. That's cash, and then I've managed to get my socks down to that and bras down to that. So I'm thrilled about that. Oh, that's hoodies. I'm really happy. I've just got to put away all of that and that's pretty much it. This is all moving stuff. That's going back up to the Midlands to our parents, and those are all my shoes. So I think I've done quite well. Jewellery, passport, books, notebooks. I feel absolutely amazing. It feels really amazing. I didn't think it would feel this good, but I'm just like, whoa, can't wait to get going on the next bit, which is probably going to be medical drawer, toiletries, soaps, candles, all that kind of stuff that I've just hoarded. I need to do that next. You ready for a little tea and coffee break soon, Atch?
Ready for lunch. It's 2:30.
Oh, okay. Right, okay. The next thing I want to sort out, by the way, it's now the next day, is makeup. I really hope I don't hit my head on that. Makeup wise, ideally I want to get all my makeup into these 3 bags, which I bought from TK Maxx before quarantine. I put this towel down so that I can empty all my makeup out on here, decide what I want. So I'm gonna have to do piles, got stuff everywhere. So let me go and get the stuff. Oops. It's just skincare that fell on the floor. I'll sort it out. This is going to be fun. Here we go. This is going to be a lot of fun actually. More to come. I am truly a joke. Like, this is just dotted around the house. All of that. This palette. That. Whatever's in here. Ah! Oh, I can't wait to get rid of some of these. / give them a wash and see if they come out pretty. All of that. All of this. Wow. That needs a wash. That needs a wash. That needs a wash. That needs a wash. Can you just put these in the washing machine? I'm going to put them in on a gentle wash. That needs a wash. Is that broken? Right, I think I'm going to make it easier for myself by setting up a little chair with a bin here and just go through everything bit by bit. This is nice, isn't it? I'm definitely going to hit my head on that. That needs to go. I know myself. Oh, there's some more other bits as well. 3. That. Makeup, skincare. Another bag that could do with a wash. Right. Atch, could you come in here please and turn my camera to time lapse instead of video, please? I heard you sigh. Do you like all my makeup? Are you pleased with the effort I'm making to downsize our life?
Yep.
Okay, cool. I'm ready for you to turn it on to time lapse.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm done, which feels really nice. So what I've done is I put all my brushes in this little thing here. This was from IKEA a few years ago and it has survived. It's really good. I do need to wash all these brushes whilst I think about it, because I think it's been probably a month since I washed these, so they could do with a wash. Then here, this is going to be my daily makeup bag. So I'm going to pick out things from here that I use daily and just put them into my daily bag. It's not going to have like anything extra. It's just going to be like what I need to do, like a basic everyday look. So I need to fill that. Everything here is foundation and pressed powders and concealer. Everything in here is lips, all lip colours, lip balms, lip gloss, just all things lips in here. In this one, I've got highlighters and contour. I think there's also, and primers as well. So all my primer, highlighter, contour, bronzers. I love this one from Bare Minerals. That is probably one of my faves at the minute. And I really don't know why I've kept this. This is the Maybelline contour stick. In fact, do you know what? I think I'm just going to get rid of that because I don't like the colour that comes out while I kept it. And then lastly, this big one. This is the only one that I could fit my eye palette into. So this is my Morphe palette that I use for nicer looks when I'm going out, which I'm not doing much of during quarantine, not going anywhere. And then mascaras, eyebrows, all things brows, eyes, this area. So I've got this I do use all the time. This is my brow palette, I always use that. Eyelash death device. I do use these quite often as well. I could do with a new pair of these, they're a bit grimy. And for anyone that knows me, I have these like little toothbrushes, wooden ones, and I use those to like brush my brows up. Every time I stay at a certain hotel that I always use for work in London, they have these in the room, so I never let them stay. I always keep them and use them for brows. So that's why I've got a lot of these. Right, so that feels amazing. The other makeup bags that are a bit used, I'm gonna stick them in the wash, see how they turn out, and then make my decision as to whether I keep them or not, and store other toiletries and stuff in there. Oh yeah, this massive Arbonne bag. This is full of skincare. This is just purely skincare. So I need to make my mind up about a lot of the things in here. I've got some really cool stuff that I haven't even used yet, like this Aborian black mask scrub. Haven't used the Clinique vitamin C serum or the pure vitamin C drops that you put into this. All of this is kindly gifted. And then I've got loads of travel size skincare as well. This is purely travel sized and skincare. This could probably be shrunk down further, but today I can't really be bothered. I think I've done really, really well. I'm now going to give this towel a wash as well after I've cleaned all my makeup brushes on it. I feel great about that. Woohoo! Okay, my dad has actually given me some raki, which is like pure alcohol. So I was thinking, well, I'm going to clean my brushes with just a cleanser that I've got that I don't really use very much. And I think I might just pour a little bit of pure alcohol in, because you can never be too safe. Am I right, ladies? Good. I didn't end up using the pure alcohol in the end because I did notice a couple of the brushes hairs were falling out and I was like, this is probably not a great idea. And I didn't end up using the cleanser. Instead I just used a natural soap and I just brushed the dirty brushes into the soap and it was working really, really well. And the soap was from Cowshed if anyone's interested. Pretty sure they use all natural ingredients. And again, this is just one of those things I always get free from hotels. The hotel I always stay in. Such a freeloader. My hands have gone very, very dry. I don't know if that is because of the soap or because of the bleach I just used to clean the sink. Yeah, I'm pleased that that's done. I'll have a little look at these tomorrow. Oh, don't want to let them fall. Have a little look at these tomorrow, let them dry. The reason I'm drying them that way is because I don't want the water to go back into the brushes, because then it will loosen up the glue that holds the brushes to the brush, if that makes sense. Anyway, so So that's good. Quarantine's going really well. I've nearly run out of jobs to do. Yesterday I did loads more than just my closet, but I didn't end up filming all of it. I'll see what else I can do and film. It's very fun. So I've just cleaned out the bottom of a candle that has finished from the White Company. So that used to burn there, and I got to the last bit and I was like, I'm just gonna clean this out. Reason being is I've got all these makeup brushes that are small. I need a little container that's short for my short brushes. I was like, I'm not gonna throw this away. It's a really nice glass, so I will just use that. These little ones yesterday that I cleaned out. Oh my gosh, I'm absolutely buzzing. This is great. This is what self-isolation makes you do. Just sort of think of little fun things like this. For me, this is extremely satisfying. Oh, great. Now they've all got a little bit more space to breathe as well. Well, there you have it. Brushes complete. Delivery. I've just washed my hands. I'm going to open it and then wash my hands again. I'm pretty sure I know what this is. I think it's a sandbag. Atch and I couldn't get any weighted equipment for working out. Everything sold out completely. So we bought a sandbag that we're going to fill up with sand and then do like lunges and squats with the sandbag. It's going to be exciting. For a little shop. I just need a few essentials for the week. Obviously we've got our HelloFresh, which gets delivered every Monday, which is amazing because HelloFresh are no longer taking new customers. So if you're one of their old customers that's always had a subscription box, you still get your stuff, but they got completely overwhelmed with new orders. So new people, like for instance, I know Atch's mum tried to do an order, but she just couldn't get anything, so they're completely at their capacity. Because of that, it means all our evening dinners are sorted, but for lunch times we always need stuff. I'm going to try and get everything I need for the week so I don't have to come here again. I'm quite surprised actually because it's not packed, there's no queues, whereas last week when I came to Sainsbury's there was queues all the way around the car park. But I don't know, maybe because Lidl's less popular than Sainsbury's in my area, I don't know. Right, gonna go and get some bits. I've got everything I need for the week, and do you know what? I saw families in there filling their trolleys right up, and I didn't judge them because I thought if I had a family, or someone who I thought had a family, I'd actually need to be buying that much stuff as well, like overflowing trolleys. I was looking at my stuff at the checkout versus their stuff, and I thought to myself, you can't judge. You actually can't look at someone and go, wow, they're panic buying, because they might be having a household of like 5-6 people. You just don't know. But the supermarkets are certainly calmer. There's loo roll on the shelves, there's tea, so it's very nice. Not that I would buy my tea from Lidl because I am a tea snob, but there is tea available. I'd buy my Tetleys from there, so I've got Tetleys, but I wouldn't buy my Earl Grey from there. Sorry if that's too much detail. I can't see the screen when I'm filming, so I had no idea that the elderly couple were in the background of the vlog there. I didn't mean to include them. They seem like lovely people. I wonder if they knew that they were on camera. See you later. Right, gonna head back now, shower, get ready for the day, and maybe brave some tasks that I've been putting off for a long time. Okay, let's see what I've got. So I've got lots of these. They look good. I'm a big fan of this one, if that works. Nice. Okay, that could be a good hair serum one. Sorry, I thought there was like liquid coming out of it then, but it was just air. And a spray. Oh my gosh, yeah. That could be good for my toner. Done. That's all my waste. These are all the samples I've collected over the years, and I grouped them into, I did mixed products which might trigger some people. For instance, hair oil that has been mixed, a different toner that is in pretty much all cowshed toner, that's all Arbonne toner, a night cream mixed with some day creams, purely cowshed cleanser, backup cleanser, toner. I'm thrilled. I'm just buzzing that that is all of the toiletries. I have so much stuff here, and that is just skincare that cannot be decanted, so I'm thrilled with that. I'm absolutely thrilled with this. Can't wait to recycle those. And this bag, which used to have all my samples in it, has now just got empty makeup bags that have been washed. So that feels really nice. I have also got 3 more of these, so they'll probably come in handy in the future. Oh, and then I didn't touch Atch's stuff because that's all like men's and I didn't want to trigger him, so he's still just got all his Clinique in here. But I'm absolutely over the moon with that. It's like, now what? I've done everything. I've done makeup, I've done toiletries, skincare, wardrobe. We did kitchen. I forgot to film the kitchen, but the kitchen's been downsized as well. Yeah. How's your week going? Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I know it's been a little bit short and sweet, but I promise you the time it took to do all of that was ages. It's just very sped up. Just trying to stay positive here, keep exercising, keep cleaning the house, keep cooking interesting meals. In fact, I'm gonna cook sorry, I've not got symptoms, I'm just a bit runny nose. I'm gonna cook a pasticcio, which is like macaroni sul forno, which is basically pasta in the oven. I think Cypriots call it macaroni sul forno and Greeks call it pasticcio. And what's interesting is that most Cypriots make it with pork mince and most Greeks make it with like lamb or beef. So I'm gonna make it the Greek way rather than the Cypriot way. I'll probably do a video on it because I've never made it before. Obviously loads of people in my family make, my mum makes a good one, my aunties make a good one, my yaya makes, I think, yeah, yaya makes a good one, but she doesn't really eat it because she doesn't like the bechamel sauce. Anyway, I'm banging on. I will probably film it this week if I can. I'm struggling a little bit filming in the kitchen because my boyfriend is working from home, so he's on calls in the living room and we've got like a living room kitchen open plan, so I might have to kick him out to film, so that should be good, should be interesting. That's about it, guys. Looking forward to speaking to you in the next video. Let's all just stay happy. Let's just try and get through this. Who knows how long it's gonna last, but stay positive, everyone. If you're not already following me on Instagram, I post video content daily on my stories. I'm at Leah Hatz on Instagram, so I'll see you over there. Bye.